Hey students, it's me, Adam Zollinger, here with a new course that is designed to help you take your architectural renderings to the next level. This time, students will start with a basic model that I provide, and then together, we will walk through all the tools and techniques we need to make it much more interesting. I will cover advanced modeling considerations, including things like forest pack and photogrammetry. I will dive deep into advanced material creation, both with standard V-Ray materials and also many other professional tools such as Substance Designer. I will demonstrate the latest techniques in lighting your scene, theory for creating good compositions, and mood for your imagery using light and color. I will also use advanced camera techniques and atmospherics to add more interest and depth to the scene. Of course, we will go over all the advanced render settings that you need to render effectively with V-Ray. And then finally, I will walk you through the post-processing from start to finish. And here we will pull out all the stops to spice up our image, from compositing people to color grading and special effects. In the end, you'll have all the tools that you need to make your images look a lot better. I promise you. So if you're ready to take your renderings to the next level, then I will see you in class.